Hey everyone, it is 7:52 in the evening on, oh gosh, excuse me, Saturday that's better, Saturday the 3rd of May 2025. We've just finished watching the 3rd season of The Sinner on Netflix. Just had a really chill day. Merv's allowed to drink again as of today, so he's celebrated with a bottle of red. We did go and buy alcohol yesterday, but I haven't been in the mood for drinking. However, my cannabis gummies did arrive, the replacement ones. So I went to the post office and picked them up and tried them. I had a bong after taking it, so I kind of had like the double effect, and it sort of felt like that throughout the afternoon. I took another one at 3:30, so hours ago now. Excuse me. Mostly, if anything, I just feel absolutely exhausted, like I could just pass out already. And I said to Merv, I was like, I'm going to go to bed.
How would you like a Bailey's and ice?
I don't know that I do. Merv's just asking if I want Bailey's and ice. I think I might leave it for now at least. I don't know. They're making toasties and tomato soup, and I just know I cannot have that with Bailey's. But I have been thinking about the Bailey's today. Fuck me. I know you don't all want to just see me on the camera yawning my damn head off over and over again, so I'm going to wrap this up because I really cannot stop yawning. And honestly, I might close my eyes for the next 5 or 10 minutes while Merv does what he does, because I was going to go to bed and he wants toasties and tomato soup. So if I can manage to stay awake long enough to eat some, awesome. Anyway, till later. Good night.